Montana with my hunting dog last year. It's called Green Handle.
Ready for it?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, Tommy Gunn was happy as fun as an old curve running by. Catching out on the highway, two smokestacks in the sky. Drove up dreaming that big rig screaming in the back of a mountain pass. Now he makes a buck driving semi-trucks, won't never catch him pumping gas. He got a full tank of old green handle, full lip of old red man. Yeah, the light flashing in the distance, carry me back to the promised land. He used to run around town, his windows down, and let Merle preach to the choir. Open roads and heavy loads are all that he desired. Smoky bricks, a back that aches, and a reefer spinning fast. Over red with a legal freight in the left lane trying to pass. He got a full tank of old green handle, full lip of old red man. Yellow light flashing in the distance, carry me back to the promised land.